Alright peoples, welcome back. Today is just a really quick vid on Battered Fritz. Oh, family favourite. So when we were kids, we used to, we'd get the Battered Fritz and the adults would have the bacon from what I can remember. But I thought we were the winners because this is an awesome thing to do. So the first thing you do is you get your batter mix made up. I'll put the recipe below, which is just flour, milk, egg and salt and pepper. Once you've done that, you get your beautiful Fritz. I love bung Fritz. Alright, so I've got bung Fritz, beautiful. But stick Fritz is fine, and if you live somewhere else in the world where you don't have Fritz, get whatever cold meat you have that looks similar to that and try cutting it up and battering it. You never know, you might end up with some beautiful new thing. So anyway, you slice it however thick you want your Battered Fritz or thin. I like mine reasonably thin. A couple of them like it really thick and a couple like it really thin. But yeah, I would probably say 1/2 centimetre thick I would do them. Slice them all up. Now if you've got bung Fritz, there's a skin on it. So I reckon it's easy to cut while the skin's on, and then you just peel them all off. It's really easy. So I'll slice all this up and then we'll get to the next step. Alright, so you want to get your hand hot. Now I use margarine or butter, whatever you got at the time. I've got margarine at the minute. So I'll use mainly margarine, and I want it to be able to coat the whole pan, and just a little sprinkle of olive oil. Alright, I've got my egg split ready. I'll get a fork. Now you push it in, flip it over, and then you grab it with your fork and put it on. And repeat. Alrighty, when they're nice and crispy, flip them. Oh yeah, baby, does not get any better than this. Right, these two took me a bit longer, so I'll give them a few more minutes. But yeah, see that? Look at that. Beautiful golden brown yumminess. Oh, and you keep going until you cook both sides. That is your Battered Fritz, my friends. Yum.